In today's video, I'll show you one way to share your Android phone's internet data connection with your desktop PC or laptop. It's a great way to enjoy the internet on a bigger screen when you're on the go. But before we get started, make sure you have the following prerequisites. First, you'll need a USB data cable. Make sure it's not a charging cable, as some may not work for this. You'll also need your desktop PC or laptop and, of course, some available data on your phone. Now, if you've got all of these prerequisites in place, let's dive right into it. Take note of the network icon on your PC or laptop taskbar, as it won't have any network connection at this time. Connect your USB data cable to your phone and your PC or laptop. This is the physical link that will allow your devices to communicate. Now, on your phone, find the Settings application icon. Inside your phone's settings page, tap on Connections to access the network and connectivity options. On the Connections page, look for Mobile Hotspot and Tethering option and tap it. On the options that are on the screen, select or tap on USB Tethering option to switch it on. This will activate the tethering feature on your phone and you will see the switch turn blue. Now, go back to your PC or laptop taskbar. Watch and wait for the network icon in the taskbar to indicate that your PC is now online. And there you have it. Your PC is now connected to the internet through your phone, effectively becoming just like a router. You can now enjoy browsing the internet on the bigger screen of your PC or laptop using your phone's cellular data connection. And that's it. USB tethering is a convenient way to stay connected on the go. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tech tips and tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.